Cobra. Yep, definitely can't get rid of it. So, as you guys can see here, we have something. I'm gonna block that out, probably like blur that out. We'll just flip it over for now. We have a package for the 5.0. So, like I said, I want to start doing stuff to the 5.0. I've done a few things here and there with the Cobra, as you guys have seen over the past year and whatnot. But the 5.0 is pretty much bone stock. All it has is an intake, and if you want to count an exhaust, I guess it has an exhaust. I don't really count that because it's not catless or anything. But today, we're doing something a little different. Now, I was going to go with a Lund Racing tune, an N-gauge tuner, which I do plan on doing in the future. But I did purchase a flex fuel kit for the 5.0, and I know you're asking like, oh, does Lund make, you know, flex fuel tunes and E85 tunes, which they do. And the whole reason why I didn't go with it is because, for one, I think that some stations in my city don't come with complete E85, and with that, they throw so much timing at the car, and then your engine could potentially blow, essentially. And this is the safer way to do it. You don't make as much power as you would with a straight up E85 tune. But like I said, I'm not going for big power on the 5.0. I just want to be able to do a few bolt-ons, flex fuel, and then add a tune on top of it later. Like I said, it won't make max power, but it'll be good for my application because there's not a lot of E85 stations in the area. So a good compromise, like I said, would be to do the E85 kit. And my boys at Advanced Fuel Dynamics hooked it up. They gave me a great deal. So if you guys are interested, I'll have a coupon code linked somewhere here on the screen. And we'll get done, we'll unbox it, and we'll tell you guys how to install a little bit. Nothing too advanced, but I'm really excited to run this kit, and yeah, we'll get into it. Okay, so we're going to get right into the unboxing. I'm really excited. Lund tune will be coming soon, but I want to do this because basically on the Lund E85 flex fuel tunes, they get their ethanol readings off of the wideband, which there is a delay between the actual fuel going into the engine and after into the exhaust. So from here, it measures it right when it delivers to the engine, and we'll add X amount of fuel and X amount of timing into the engine to make it faster. So here we go. A little receipt. I'm gonna connect to their app. You guys download it in the App Store. It's called ProFlex Connect. We should get instant readings. I don't know how much we'll connect it, but we'll just turn on that. Let's see if we can connect to it right now. Turn on Bluetooth. Okay, it's connected. So start it up. Everything's good, right?
Yeah.
We're reading about 9% ethanol. Oh.
9%?
I think it just got disconnected. Hold up.
0% now.
No, it's just not connected. All right, guys. So we are going to go off to the closest E85 station. So like I said, they are building a station that's kind of nearby, but we're not too sure as to if it will be an E85 station. But we are going to go to the closest one we know of. Make clear, I'm not going to hit. No, just go ahead.
You're good.
Cobra looking mean.
As usual.
She looks good. She looks good. Okay. So according to the ProFlex Commander, we have about 10% ethanol?
Yep.
10%. We will see what it updates to when we get gas. We'll do a pull when we're getting on the highway just to get a baseline, you know. A good thing to do would be to obviously race the mock again. But we don't have the mock right now, so we'll set something up soon. But we're gonna test it out, so we'll do a pull and then we'll get gas and we'll see. So we'll see you guys there.
Yeah.
It feels good though.
It does.
It does feel good. I'll be honest though, like
no cars.
The ProFlex Commander is still running. So we like any ethanol it recognizes, we're still on a different map.
Yeah.
You know, so it's still it'll pull differently. I mean, it felt good.
Definitely.
We'll try it again. Feels good. It's got hiccups.
She got guts.
I'll be honest, like maybe it's just, you know, your mind playing tricks on you. But like I said, it's taking the amount of ethanol that's in the fuel right now, which it does have fuel. And I mean, I don't know. It feels pretty good. I don't know. It's my imagination.
I don't know. I don't think I'm in it enough to give a valid opinion, but it feels good, that's for sure.
I mean, we'll be able to hopefully tell a difference, you know. Feels cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's our test. So we kind of already know how it feels.
Yep.
And then we'll, you know, put the E85 in, and hopefully we can feel a difference. That's all I'm hoping for.
That's the goal.
See you guys when we get there. Well, I already see that yellow pump.
Yeah. Waiting for us. It should.
I didn't even squeeze that.
That's weird. Never seen that before.
Yeah, definitely gotta. See, it also says 51% to 83%, so it's not full E85. A lot of pumps don't carry
Yeah.
full E85, you know. We
Yeah.
gotta tease the gram. We gotta tease the gram a little bit. Have you ever seen that?
No.
Guy told me that the app doesn't work for the cars, the newer Mustangs, but it was working when I had just accessory mode on. So we'll see if we get any readings. It's gotta obviously flow through.
Yeah. It still has the old feel
Yeah,
in
it
it,
still
so
has the old feel.
check it when we get home.
Yeah, we'll check when we get home. So first startup, a little scary. So we are on E85 as we speak.
Luxury.
It's got to pump through the system, so you know, we'll see what happens when we get on the highway. So I reset the trip and we're going uphill. There's traffic, so we're idling at like 8.6, going down because we're not moving. But obviously 85 burns a lot quicker, and with that you get cleaner burning fuel though, and obviously the whole point is to make more power. It is an all-motor car. All-motor cars don't tend to make a lot, but they told me that they've seen 20 horsepower, 20 wheel horsepower gains within a certain RPM range. Overall, it was a little bit lower, but you'll feel 20 horsepower for sure. So we'll do a little pull on the highway. It's not completely mixed yet, so as you know, time goes on, it should, you know, mix a little bit better. So we'll see how it does, and yeah, I'm excited. It does. I heard a pop though.
I did.
It does, like on decel.
It's like a little growl pop. Yeah.
Plus, we also have a lot more fuel.
Yeah. So full tank.
Let's see. First impression, like I said, it's not like a tune where, you know, it automatically changes, but it does sound different. I will give it that. It was making like weird, or it was making a little more pop sounds.
The Scatty. Woo!
Hey, that was clean.
That was.
That was a good ass race. That was clean, bro.
Shout out the boy right
Shout out
there.
to the boy with the Scat.
Definitely moving who ripped the Camaro.
Oh my god, we beat ScatPack.
Dude, that's sick. And he was in it too. You could hear it screaming.
No, I was. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah.
You got that right?
Hell yeah.
So now that we've gotten home, I'm gonna measure the the ethanol percentage, because it only works in accessory mode, sadly. Because it was still obviously getting adjusted and whatnot, so we didn't have complete. Okay, so we're at 55%. So that's not bad. You know, it was mixed with 91 octane, and you know, like I said, this kit is fully safe because, you know, like I said, I was thinking about doing the Luntune. The Luntune sounded cool to me, But the only downside was that it runs off the wideband, and there's a big delay between the exhaust gases flowing through and measuring how much ethanol there is, as opposed to a complete flex fuel kit where it measures the ethanol right there when it's about to go into the injector. So I think that's one of the pros of this kit. I think it does make a slight difference.
I think I can feel a difference.
Yeah, definitely feels healthy, you know. And now you can run E85 or 91 octane, and I do plan on tuning the car to with Lund Racing as well, just running their 91 octane tune, because that's what you're supposed to do. They've worked together, advanced fuel dynamics, and so they work with Lund, I heard, and all I need to do is put a 91 tune on and she should be pulling even more. And the car is essentially stock with the intake, nothing's tuned, has a Ford Performance X pipe, and that's pretty much it, right?
Flex fuel, intake, and exhaust, that's it.
So she put in work against that ScatPack.
Yep. The
ScatPacks are boats, you know, they push 45 crank. This is 435. But as you can see, we were progressively pulling on it.
Yeah.
I don't think if we were on E85, we would be pulling that much more, or it would be like a really even race.
Yeah.
So the 85 definitely puts in work, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please check out Advanced Fuel Dynamics. Here, we'll scale up the car. So to finish off the video, I want to say a big shout out to Gray from Advanced Fuel Dynamics. He really hooked it up for me, and he's going to hook it up for you guys as well. When you guys are checking out, make sure to use code ALEX10 to get 10% off your next order from there. Make sure to use the code ALEX10 all caps, and you guys will get 10% off your next order from them. And this is my personal experience. The kit works really good, super easy bolt-on kit. And like I said, I'm very pleased with it. We'll see how time goes on. I'll give you guys little updates. But from that first impression, it felt really good. And the app definitely does work, because we only had 91 octane in the car, and it said 9%. And when we put the 85, we're at 55% ethanol, so which is awesome to hear. That being said, we're gonna close out the video. Shout out to my big boy Tyson for helping me out on this little project. But I'll catch you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time. Peace.